when you hook up your circuit, it doesn't.
What did you use to?
So you
I guess I turned this off for now because I didn't want to fry anything.
Huh? Did you use like a?
No, I've got like I said a bunch of
regulator on that board
transistors.
has protection.
Okay.
So if
And it's
you're
supposed to
overdoing it, it will
cascade.
shut off by itself.
And I bought
Okay.
all the things in the schematic that I'm showing Whisker here. I bought all the parts. You're supposed to push the button and it's supposed to go, but I don't know a lot about diodes and which way to put them.
The stripe matches the stripe in the schematic.
And the diodes in this case, these are all LED diodes, and then you got one there and one.
All right, and what are you working on?
All right. So
What are you working on?
Just a simple
on the
blinker to
schematic
test the
symbol
one
here, you got
that
line on one
A
side.
stable.
The
This one
diode
I
will
thought
have
was
a
going to
ring
work, so I'm
around
just building a
one side
simple
of it.
blinker to
The
test
ring
the chip.
is the line.
I see.
That's the polarity.
And what are you up to?
That's what I figured.
I'm trying to find out what power is needed to get these LED arrays lit up.
And as far as
Oh.
the transistors,
Okay. Cool.
you said these are
And
all
this
BJT
is an attempt of an
and
IR LED heartbeat detector. And so far, it's not really doing anything.
So I ordered those.
Except for the LED lights up
More of
when
them,
this
but
thing is
I didn't
powered.
come up
So
right. But I'm trying to figure out what
I
I
shall
did wrong.
see.
Right now,
Alright, what are you up to?
I'm trying to put the minion back together so he can be the slide whistle that he wants to be. Wee wee.
You have just a light in there?
Solar cell, solar photo cell. And the light is not in here, but it'll go in here. Oh, it's a good idea though. I didn't think of that. Could put the light in there. Maybe I'll do that.
I want to take an up close picture there.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, you keep doing what you're doing. That's fine.
Okay, well let me see. See if I can get it to work again for you.
Okay.
Oh, these two wires are not connected. Ah, shoot. This wire's off the circuit, so I can't make noise.
That's alright.
Again.
We'll get it making noise in a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
I just wanted to get a closer up look of the.
Okay.
At the back of the dial isn't on there anymore.
No, that's what I was coming in here to solder a wire onto this.
The dry fit the dial on there so you can see the
Yeah, it fits
back
on
of the
there. Yeah.
back of the board head.
By the way these are wired up, I'm guessing
That's
that they're
cool.
definitely NPNs.
Well, they were using a 5-volt supply there with a 150 ohm resistor.
Nice.
It's entirely possible. DC 547. Data sheet. Right, you want to see the
This is
data
like
sheet?
reverse engineering at its best.
There you go. And then this one lights up too.
What is that?
That's another LED array. It's a bunch of green LEDs
All
inside.
of these
Oh, wow.
resistors are supposed to be going off the
That's cool.
emitters of these transistors.
I think it maybe was intended as a
Some
backlight
of
for
them are
something.
connected to
Yeah.
the emitters, and some of them are connected
Very
to the
nice.
bases.
So they don't look. It doesn't look
Really?
like they're individually.
No, it's just looking
Probably
at the
the
circuit
worst
board.
time
It's
here to be start over.
but
Give me a little bit here.
Yeah, they're all in
Moving the
parallel.
resistors so
I
that
see.
they're connected to the right things.
Handy, very handy.
Okay. These definitely won't do anything unless they have a good
Any luck?
test ground.
No, I'm just getting the wires down.
The
Okay.
BC547 is an NPN transistor.
not that big of a.
No. The LED without taking it out.
So what are you gonna do with that when you've got it all together and whatnot?
I'll probably leave it on a shelf and have it decorate my workspace. My intent is that the whole thing, including the 9-volt, will fit inside. I did kind of scoop the inside of this out, so
Are you gonna add a switch to it, maybe?
I don't know.
Then you can turn it on and off and save the battery. Alright, explain away.
Well, the circuit allows you to tune the amount of time the
Lying to me?
is on. No. Let's see here. Where's the number? Right here. So R2 and R1 allows you to change the amount of time that it's high and low, and so we're learning which way is which on the resistor network. But basically, we've had it so that we can actually change.
So you're changing duty cycle.
Yep. So PWM.
Ooh. I think I'm gonna cover this up because it's kind of blinding. I can't. Looks like it's on all the time.
To the camera?
Yeah.
No, it goes off. So there it goes off.
When we first discovered it working, it had a duty cycle of 10 seconds on and 1 off, and we've learned that by
Oh, I
adjusting
see.
these pods that we could
And the caps,
get it like
or
4
what?
seconds off. And
Oh, I see. Okay. Well, that's why I thought it was on for that long. 'Cause
So this is linearly independent. The amount of time is just based on this one, and then the amount of time it's actually on is based on off, and then both of them are on.
There's
So I've been playing around with that. Come
Cool.
on.
resistors.
nicely done.
One of them sets.
Yeah. He was pointing me into another lane on the.
Yeah.
Okay, that looks really, really slick, man.
Yeah. It's a 555 timer.
Did you check the polarity on the last LED?
I did, but I got to wiggle. I think I've got a short here.
What we're trying to debate right now is this wire right here. 7 goes in between here, and I believe I had the potentiometer in there too. Just trying to debate where we put the potentiometer. I don't, since I can't test it here, thinking I got to do it exactly the same as I had on the board, because I can't test it with a perf board like that. I'm gonna have to solder it up. I guess you can desolder it if it doesn't work.
Just do it right.
Turn signal that's activated by a 555 timer and these transistors.
Awesome. And what value resistors did you guys end up getting? Or using, I should say.
This one we had to change, and this one's a
2K.
2K resistor. And that's what was making it. We couldn't get the last one to light up because we had too big of a resistor here. So yeah. So
We had to modify the design a little bit to work.
yeah,
Gotcha.
but it works. I'm very
works.
happy.
Huzzah!
We use those Jameco parts
Yep.
out of the random bag of resistors here. These came in handy for trying different values.
Oh yeah,
Yep.
they give a pretty nice variety of resistors.
Yep. I think we used the 2K on this one.
Cool.
So thank you, Jameco.
Awesome. Thank you, Jameco.